All right, guys, one of the two projects I posted this week is the free choice project. What this is like the name suggests, is a choice project you get to make that was due at the end of the semester, specifically May 15th. And what it is, it has these several different prompts, different options for you to go through. You need every single one of the prompts. You need to choose your project and list ideas what you can do, outline a plan for the final product, complete the activity in a presentation, complete the requirements, making adjustments as needed, create a final product, and then you're going to record a short presentation for your classmates. You'll be due May 15th. Don't forget that. And here's the options. Create a March Madness style bracket of your favorite, whatever you want, TV shows, food, books, athletes, anything you can think of that can be a March Madness style bracket. You can do that here. Create criteria to judge each entry and explain why your winner ultimately won. You're going to take focus notes over some form of text associated with each entry. Watch all the movies, make all the food, look up player stats, whatever it happens to be. It does not have to be 64 teams for the bracket. You can do 16, totally fine. 8 if it's something's like, specifically really long movies. That's totally fine. Pick the amount that works best for the project. Learn a new skill. Identify what you want to learn. YouTube has some great tutorials. Give a pre-learning examples of your abilities. Document how you went about learning it. Then provide a post example and reflect. This should not be related to your classes. So not a non-academic skill. Create a mockumentary of a week or two in your new distance learning experience and finish with a persuasive argument on whether or not online distance learning is better than in-person learning. So essentially, you're creating a documentary. You're going to video record yourself completing certain tasks related to distance learning and explaining in detail what is being completed. At the end, provide an argument about why distance learning is better or worse than classroom learning. Read a new book and create a promotional material for it. These are just suggestions: brochure, poster, video trailer, book signing advertisement. These can be a lot of different things, so don't be afraid to create your own product. Canva is a great resource for that. We use that a little bit for the college graphic organizers or infographics, excuse me, that we did earlier this semester. That's a great resource. iMovie, if you're going to create some type of movie. Remember, for the documentary, iMovie is a great one as well. Conduct a science experiment of your own devising. Don't blend chemicals without first consulting a professional, and don't blow things up without proper safety equipment and permission from your parents or whoever you need permission from. But consider recipes, social psychological exercises, growing a plant, or trying a life hack you found on social media. Those are all great things to do. Here's a grading checklist of what you need, what will be expected, and evaluated at the end. If you have any questions, again, message me on Remind, email me, any of those things, and I'll get back to you. Thanks.